Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 1st, 2024. I want to remind you that tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and the first Friday of the month I will do always a speed test. You can train your brain for thinking fast. Yes, you need to train your brain to think fast. Anyway, we have here 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. The first one I have already solved is the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it turns out this one is a 0 stars. And we have 3 puzzles left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the 4 stars Sudoku, number 7917. 7917. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24. Yeah. Usually, the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only 1. We have here 4 2s. All right. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. All right. 2 8s and 1 9. So the 2s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 7? Let me see. No. No. Interesting. Yeah. How about the 2 then? Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, last row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. Need to wait. Well, 7. Okay. How about the 6 in the first row? 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Alright, 5. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then. 7. How about the 8 then? 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column. Last column, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So we need the 8 there. Alright. Need the 8 here. Need the 8 there. I'm thinking. The other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and then 9 goes there. Alright. And then... let me think. Okay. Let me think. Okay. In 7 here. In the 8 here. 3, 7. Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Thinking. 3, 4, and the 7. 7 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Need a 1 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Overlook this 3. 3 in this first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, only 2 places left for, 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Need a 7 there. Need 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, third column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. We have a pair. The 4 and a 1 in this row. The 4 and a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, a third row, the only two places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. I believe the 9, yeah. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Alright. We have a 9 here. We have a 9 there, so we need a 9 here. 9 should be here. Let me think. On these 3, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. No 6 here. 1, 4, 6. Okay. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Mark those two boxes, elevator 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Well. Alright. And now. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 6 here. And I need a 5 here. Need a 5. Yeah. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Alright. And then, what's the next step? Next digit. Let me see. 2 and 8. I need a 9, need a 1. Need 8. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 6 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, I need a 9 here. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 8? Come on, I need more 8s. Need 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the row, 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have a 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solved again, And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, yes. Anyway, again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.